Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Saturday, March 11th, and I'm going to look at some of the Forex pairs, the US dollar, the euro, the pound, and the yen. So let's get started. All right, looking at the 4-hour chart, we finally broke through that line that I've had for a while, this 105.63. So we can finally confirm that this massive down move, that first leg is done. And what I see so far is big impulse and then correction, and now this move up here looks very corrective, so they corrected upwards, because what I see is 1 2 3, and you got this 1 2 3, and then you had 1 2 and 3. So I think that's going to end up being a WXY, and I think what they're doing is they're making a running flat here. And it looks to me like they still have one more down, but that I'm not totally convinced that they need to do that. But either way, that pretty strong up move here. I would expect at least a little bit of a pullback, if not, break the low one more time. But then I would expect them to be charging up and take out that previous high. And I think at a minimum they should be coming up to this 106.13 level. So that's what I'm looking for there. So if they come way down, then I think there's something else going on. So 102.58, if that gets broken before they break the top, I have to relook at it. Maybe somehow this is an ending diagonal. I just have 3 waves, but maybe that's 5 waves, so maybe it's like 1 2 3, and then they come, that'd be A, and then they're just making a big B wave down before they go up. So I have to look at that, but I think the first thing is just watch the reaction, basically Sunday and Monday. If it's just a small 3-wave little correction pullback, I think then we're going up to break the top. All right, the euro. Yeah, so finally they broke that previous low. So what I see here is they kind of made an interesting little pattern. So I got 3 waves down to here, and then they did 3 waves up, and then straight down. So it could be your A, B, and a C, and then that means that this whole move up, the correction is done and we're going up to take the top. But I feel like that's just a really quick correction for such a big move up. But it could be. So I think what they're doing is, this all was the A. Now they're going to give you a B wave, and then they're going to come down for a C before they go back up. So keeping an eye on this. So this was a pretty strong move up. Looks very impulsive. So I'd expect, and they already started coming back down on Friday, but I expect them to be making like some type of correction for the B part of the B, and then they'll go up, break that top one more time, finish the B, and then come down for the C wave. So watch this move here. If it's just corrective, then yeah, they're going to go up and finish the B and then come down for the C. If this gets really impulsive, then there could be this could be some kind of expanding flat going on here. So if like Sunday and Monday, it's just really trucking down here, I think this just ended up being an expanding flat here. So just watch this area. It should just kind of get kind of choppy in here, and then one more up, I think. So that's what I'm looking for. All right, the pound. Yeah, so that triangle that I thought they were doing played out perfectly. So what I've got here is 3 down for this 1, 3 ways up for this 2, 1 2. The triangle was the B part, and then down for 3. And so I think what they're doing now is they're creating the 4. So had a strong move up, and they started to pull back. So I think they'll make a little correction here one more time, back, break that high, finish the 4, and then come down in 3 waves for the 5. And now this all will be the leading diagonal. So that'd be just the A wave of this correction. Because I think that, they'll at least be coming down to like 116.48, or maybe even down to 114. So that's why I expect that this isn't all the correction. I think that there's still got more correcting going on here. And the yen. All right, so I see there's two things. I think this is just a 1 and a 2 and a 3. And so I expect them to be doing like a 1, 2, and a 3, and then they'll be heading back up. Now, to break that top. But I don't think that this is all the correction so far. So I think it looks to me like this isn't complete. Like this is a leading diagonal. So I think that would be like the A, then they'll be coming up for the B, and then they got one more down for the C before they head up. So I expect kind of some up and then down before heading back up. So just creating a bigger correction in here. But I don't think it'll fall too far before it heads up. All right, those are the pairs I've been watching. So let me know of any comments or questions. Appreciate your likes, and I will talk to you later. Bye.